In this course, I'm going to tell you which views there are in Revit. We already saw a 3D view and how to navigate it. And if you go here, you see some extra views. You have floor plans. You have ceiling plans. The name itself says what it does, a ceiling plan. You have a 3D view, which we already saw. You have elevation. It's a side from the exterior. You have sections. So each view can have a section. You see? And you have also detail views. You have renderings based in Revit. You have drafting views so that you can use extra text and content in it. Walkthroughs. A walkthrough, you can make photos in it. You have area plans. And then this was it for the plans. Then you have also legends. This is what you place on a sheet. We later see what sheets are. You have schedules, a material takeoff. I also gonna explain it in the next video. And you have sheets, and this is a 2D drawing to export to PDF. And then you here also have families, the objects that are in this environment, groups, combined families, and Revit links. But that's for the next video.